Yo, what's up, folks? And welcome to my first ever album/EP review ever. Okay? Y'all ready? So, today we're going to be reviewing Stuca's new Powerhouse EP. It was released like 2 days ago or something. I don't know, but he was promoting the shit out of it. And Stuca, if you're watching this, you follow me on Instagram. I don't know why, but you do, so thank you. So this is also why I'm reviewing it, because he follows me. But like, hold on. Don't you agree that like my bedroom's looking kind of weak right now? I can't do like a badass review with my bedroom looking like this. So, let me fix that. Okay, y'all. So now, everything's properly set up. We got the cover art right here. It's fucking perfect. Alright, so, I don't want to cover this up. So I'm sitting like this. Hopefully you can see me. You can, okay? So, let me get you a little preview on how I know Stuca, okay? Like, I don't know him as a friend, but, like, how I know of his music. Okay, so first of all, I don't know if you guys saw Excision, The Paradox, 2018 or 2019. It was between, I think it was 2018. Well, yeah, or early 2019. When Excision dropped the shit, Stuca, I think it was a redo or whatever, I can't express the energy in that room. Like, King Kong could have been in there, and he would have just slipped in. Like, that's how crazy people were going. That drop, when Excision dropped that, oh my mouth was like, what the hell is that? I was like, what? So then, fast forward to Lost Lands 2019, me and my brother were just walking around and he saw on the thing, Stuca at like 3 a.m. or 2 a.m., I can't remember, in the Fire Dome thing, and I was just like, bruh. No, actually, I wasn't like that. My brother was like, yo, we gotta slide, cause Stuca, he made that future shit, that Excision drop. So I was like, alright. Ah, shit, I lost it. But nah, okay. Let's pause it with arcade up. No, so basically, Stuca's crazy. We saw him live at Lost Lands, and it was crazy. It was mental. Bloody mental, mate. It was one of the best sets all weekend. And I was sitting I was behind the stage, kinda. Cause you could be behind the stage, so I got videos from behind the stage and shit. But yeah, it was crazy. Stuca, he caught the Astro Dome on fire. Literally, it was on fire. The whole place was on fire. But he just dropped the new Powerhouse EP. And bro was literally, I only follow 14 people on Instagram. So I kept on seeing it. I kept on seeing the promotion. So I was like, okay, I gotta review it as my first one. So I'm gonna get it on my phone. I'm gonna get the speaker activated, and we're gonna listen to it right quick, alright? Okay, folks, we are all ready, I believe, to get it going. First song, Gears. Let's see what's good.
Alright, let me just show you a couple things. Don't know.
Yeah, I like that vibe right there. I feel like I'm in Egypt. I love Egypt. Alright. Gears. It's mental. That second drop, I don't know. I'm not the best with my words. Cause I watched another review on this, and these guys were like talking like they actually knew music. See, no, not me. All I know is that if I'm in the club, Stuca's on stage, and I'm belligerent drunk, there's riots happening in there. And that's all that's all you gotta know. Alright, that first one, it's alright, yeah? Okay. And you notice how I said that? I said it with a little accent, because the next one, sick wolves, mate. Sick wolves. I know that because I've heard it a couple times already, but it really caught my eye on the teaser, the album teaser on Instagram, just because of the vocal. Sick wolves. So, let's hear it. Sick wolves. Oh, wait.
Sick wolves.
Woo! Oh my god.
That, oh my god, though, that is perfect. I'm telling you, that's what everyone in the crowd is thinking when this shit gets played. Oh my god. Like, why'd you have to do us like this? I think there's like some bongos in this too. Like some jungle beats. Holla at me. Let's hear it. I might be mistaken though.
Sick wolves.
That's insane. And I know what you go, ooh, this like dirty, nasty, industrial shit. Oh, the shit, it sounds the same. Bruh. Sick wubs. It ain't sound the same, bro. It's different. And I don't even know why it's called sick wubs, because those aren't even wubs. Those are violent noises. They're satanic noises. There's no way Catholics approve of this song. Okay? If you played this in a church, your ass is getting kicked out. Okay? I would love to play it in a church. I would love to see their faces. But, alright, on to the next one. Scorch. This one's probably going to be hot and fiery because it's called Scorch.
Let's do this thing, come on.
We're going straight in.
I got this. I got this.
Oh my god.
My only negative comment, I don't think the Jabberwockies could dance to this music. And that's the only thing I gotta say that's negative. I don't know how they would dance to this. This is way too violent for them.
We have one left. I got this. I got this.
That Scorch was crazy. But that leaves us to the last song, Forgotten. And I honestly, guys, I recorded this video earlier and it wasn't recording. So I heard Forgotten and I know it slaps. That second drop, bro, that shit's fucking mental. I can't wait again. I can't wait to hear it again. It's not Forgotten, but it's Forgotten. Last track, Forgotten.
Not for the girl, down for the. not for the girl, them for the.
That is what I'm talking about right there. That might be the sickest drop of the whole fucking EP. That might be the sickest drop of the whole EP. Bird noises. Jungle beats, holla at me. Alright, that was it. Let me turn on the lights before I have a seizure though, because I've been staring at these visuals. God damn, whoever made this happen should get a raise, because I don't know if you guys caught this couch lands, but I want to be wherever this is. I know it's fake, it's not real, but somehow Stuca's there. And if Stuca's there, it's got to be real, because I'm trying to be there too. Well, alright, here we go. Gotta turn. Ow, I hurt my back. Okay. Okay, let's close that. Alright. Let me see if it's still recording. Okay, it is. Okay. So the video is still recording, so that's a good thing, because I took this video earlier. And I watched a couple reviews on this before I made this, and I could already tell, like, these people were like that guy, the needle drop. They were talking about melodies, all kinds of stuff. I really need to turn this off. Like, I'm literally about to die. Dude, there's too many visuals going on right now. But no, everyone's talking like that one guy, Fantano. Screw Fantano. That guy ain't it. Okay? But sorry guys. Oh my gosh, the projector, man, it's got to my brain. I think it might be the Stuka too. That actually got to my brain. All I gotta say is you can't listen to this while you're driving down the road. It's too much. You'll crash. You'll swerve into 18 lanes and you'll crash. It's too violent for that. You can't take a Catholic girl out on a date and play this. She'll run. She'll get too scared, man. But my favorite track off the whole EP, it's gotta be Sick Wubs or Forgotten. That second drop's crazy. I liked it. So, next thing I'm gonna say is, if there's not a Stuka set on a main stage at Lost Lands 2021, I'll be upset. Actually, let me reword that. There's not a Stuka B2B Maruda B2B Trampa set at Lost Lands. I'm pulling a hit out on Excision. Yeah, I said it. No, I'm just kidding, Excision. But seriously, I know Excision's not gonna do it because he doesn't want too many people to like literally die of like heart attacks, brain injuries, because people will be throwing elbows. He claims he likes throwing elbows, but this would get out of hand way too quick. But yeah, shout out Stuka. Let me know if I can get these on my CDJs, because I love to play it. And yeah, thanks for watching my first review. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.